Our friends.
Hello. Cheers. I don't know what to say.
Hey!
How you doing, man?
I've been good.
I was like, I saw a voice shop playing live, and I was like,
Oh, thank you.
oh! Firecracker, the trash can.
Look at all these peeps.
Why do you want it back?
Angie. Exactly. Get it.
Did I get a board? E-Man's landed like 8
It looks
tricks.
like that gets a board for me.
I mean, E-Man's on fire. E-Man is on fire.
Push the close together.
I thought that was Tommy for a second. I was gonna say,
We're like, that's very out of the ordinary.
fucking Ollie sex game.
Hey, you see Aaron Murray right there? Aaron Murray!
If Tommy came up and did a caster flip, I'd give him the win. He's probably here somewhere.
Tommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's here. He's in a monster sweatshirt. I guess he got a new endorsement.
I'm gonna hit him up for that cap.
Yeah! He said, "Fuck that." That's what happened.
Oh, from big spin. I like that shit. He's gonna do a switch, huh? Oh, I see.
Yeah, Sean. Damn. Stedman going for a frontside flip from hell. Oh, Dom's in the house. On E-Man. E-Man.
Oh, front foot. Yeah.
What's going on the
Oh,
TikTok?
damn.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. You. Oh, E-Man!
Fuck. That was like.
E-Man fucked shit up.
That was effortless. That was like on flat ground.
Hey, do that back three.
I know Brandon Sebastian wants me to film it. Like he's filming me. Right
Yo, I'm gonna film you too. Do that.
Lord.
There you go, back three right here. Oh! Those Ekis, motherfuckers. Hey, you got that. Next, go.
So much pressure.
No, there's no pressure. It's only in your dome.
Set it on fire!
Oh, man. Michael. Here we go, back three. Ah, damn it. Hey, not yet. Gotta save the fire till later. Oh, E-Man is getting that shit. Don't even worry. He's fucking shit up. Ow! E-Man be fucking shit up. Yeah. The waist. Oh man. You're making me crazy. Hey, your phone. Phone. Yo. Help him. Come on, John. Where you going? Oh! Come on, Jalen. Oh, Angel! Man. Yeah, I agree. He does have that next try. He's got it next try.
He's got one next try.
Dude, E-Man on fucking shit up. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Coming in hot. Oh, come on, Dave. It's too hot.
You almost kind of get dizzy watching everyone come at once. It's so hazy because they're so quick, you know?
Oh, yeah, no,
one right after another. Seizure-inducing, eh?
Oh, Jay-Z with the switch frontside flip. It's his signature trick. Oh, you better watch out.
If we're at Metro, he would have landed it.
Yeah, fully. If he was in the old hockey court, he would have landed it too.
Yeah.
Young Yoda! Young Yoda! All right, here we go. Bam. We got Eric Hernandez on the cam.
What was that? Nollie Hartford?
We got Aaron Murray coming out of, I don't know where he's coming out of, but he came here. I forget. Oh, sorry, I fucked up on the E-Man footage.
That big spin's right there. That front deck spin's right there.
We got all kinds of people doing some crazy stuff.
Yeah!
Oh! I mean, you got to there. You got to there. You were like, you made it. You got to there. You made it. Ooh! Oh my God! Good grief! That shit was crazy.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, John Z's got it next try. Oh, you got that beat. Oh, come on.
Oh.
Here we go, Angel. Oh, damn.
Oh, shit time. Yeah, he's gonna win it, dude. E-Man's gonna win it.
If E-Man don't win, this shit's rigged.
For now. For now, it's early, right?
That was a jab at something.
Oh yeah. Real world issues.
That shit was too far. Every time I try, it's too far.
Oh.
Oh damn, young dolphin.
Tim, have you ever landed a dolphin flip in your life?
I've never done that shit.
I don't even think I've ever formed one correctly.
I don't even know. I haven't even tried.
I've done it at the last competition.
Oh yeah.
I never even formed one.
All right, here's Jay-Z. Oh man, I told you he had it.
Isn't it like a varial flip? You just kind of, yeah, it's like a varial, but you kind of tug it forward, right? See, that's the issue. I can't do varial flips. You know who has a good varial flip though? Tim Lay.
Oh damn, you're really nice. Hey yo, back three.
You used to get
Let's
me
go.
on that. Used to get me on the varial skate. Oh, there.
Damn,
That could have been 5
he had it. I love me some varials. We got the drone footage right here. Sorry, missed E-Man. Luckily, he didn't land it. All over the place.
Who's got your favorite varial flip?
Brian Anderson.
I like Carol's.
His good too.
Yeah, right is a very varial flip heavy video. I just noticed that.
I mean, that's why I like to do fakey varial flips too.
I thought that was it.
right. Tell the viewing audience something, Eric.
Oh, fucking, it's gnarly. It's gnarly.
Tell the viewing audience something.
It's crazy.
What else?
My Tim's boards.
Oh, thank you.
Good.
If you're not here, audience,
best.
you're missing out.
Yeah.
You don't have to suffer from FOMO. That stuff's bullshit.
He just ollied over John's board. John's board got stuck and he just ollied over it. That's best trick.
Oh, Pedro's in the house. Pedro! Oh, the Lord. Oh, here we go. Damn. Damn. Stereo Sound Agency. Jason Lee. Ha! Do a kickflip. You already missed it. E-Man already fucked shit up left, right, and sideways.
Oh.
Oh! That was a little too zoomed in, sorry. Oh, we got another Stereo Sound Agent board. Yoshi Tenenbaum. Stedman.
Imagine if you were just coming to Breeze not knowing this was happening, like trying to get a mellow session.
Oh, damn. Look at this.
All you
Look
see
at
is
that. This shit fuck shit up. Yeah, you're just like, I just want to skate tonight. But like, oh, fuck that.
backflips.
E-Man almost did a kickflip for you, Pedro. I seen it too.
Get that shit, Mac. All right.
Yo, Michael Reagan, where are you? You need to be here.
Yeah, dude. Reagan, where you at? Where you at? With the 3 shoves. No one's on a 3 shove down it.
I want to
Or
say
backside double flip.
I want to say he's at work.
Or bigger flip.
Michael Reagan, when you get off of work, get over here.
Like I can name like 20 tricks that Michael's got that he could probably do down this and win.
Damn. Oh, dude, it's getting hectic. I know you're at work. When you're off of work, come over here. E-Man told me. I know those sad puppy dog guys hurt too. Damn, we got John Zahorak with the switch frontside flip over the trash. We got young Yoda with some shit. Eric is amazing. Michael said you're too kind.
Oh, it's true. Yeah, I don't know what to say.
Oh shit! What's up? Tell these people what they're missing. Tell these people what they're missing. Oh, okay. Look at all these heads. All these heads. Yeah, forget them. Got some peeps. We got Corey Dar coming. Oh shit. We got Angel.
Corey Dar's the man.
We got Angel coming. You're gonna hurt Michael Reagan's feelings, dude. By saying that, you can't be a 2-timer.
Sorry.
What? Job number 2? Michael, good God, you're an animal. But mad respect to you for having 2 jobs. Good for you. Damn! Yoda, you good?
That sounded bad. Oh
my God.